In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add taxes in Squarespace. Whether you're setting up an online store or refining your business operations, understanding how to manage taxes is crucial for both legal compliance and smooth customer transactions. First things first, you'll need to access your Squarespace account. Go ahead and open Squarespace in your preferred web browser and ensure that you're logged into your account. This will take you to your main homepage where all the magic happens. Once there, direct your attention to the lower left corner of your screen. You'll notice a menu, and at the bottom of this menu, there's a Settings option. Click on Settings. This will open a slew of options that you can configure to optimize your website and its functionalities. Now that you're in the settings, you'll want to find and click on Selling. This section is dedicated to all the selling features and settings you need to manage transactions on your site. Once you've clicked Selling, you'll see various configuration options, including an option labeled Taxes. Click on Taxes. You're now in the section where you can manage your tax rates. For setting up your manual tax rates, there's a section aptly titled Manual Tax Rates. To proceed, click on Add Rate. This will open a new dialog where you'll begin by selecting your country. You'll see a list or a drop-down menu that allows you to pinpoint the specific country where your business operates or where your sales tax will apply. After selecting your country, click Next to move forward in the setup process. Now it's time to detail how you'd like the taxes to apply. You'll need to input the tax name as well as the rate at which you want to tax your transactions. This is where you get specific, defining a memorable name for the tax, for instance, state sales tax, and inputting the exact percentage that you need to charge. Squarespace also offers flexibility in your tax application. You decide whether to apply taxes to shipping charges. Take a moment to think about this aspect. If you wish to enable taxes on shipping, simply check the corresponding box. This can be an important consideration depending on the local regulations and your business needs. Once you've filled in all the necessary information and are satisfied with your selections, take one last look to ensure everything's correct. If all appears in order, finalize the setup by clicking Save. This action ensures that all the changes you've made are applied to your Squarespace store, ready to seamlessly calculate the necessary taxes for your transactions. And there you have it. Your tax settings are now configured. By efficiently setting up your taxes in Squarespace, you can manage your store's sales with greater precision and compliance, making a significant stride in the smooth running of your online business. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to check out our other videos for more Squarespace tips and tricks.